Hello, so this is a cry for help. So I got this mounted on the faceplate, which seems to be spinning fine. This seems to have machined fine. This face has machined fine. I've only machined that just cosmetic really. And I bored the cylinder head the exact same way, and I'm within 0.05 mil from top to bottom. But this one, when I'm sending the boring bar in under power, it's catching. It's catching the flange. So from the top of here to the bottom of here, there's a difference of about 0.4 mil, maybe 0.3 mil. So I've kind of stopped now, because the top I'm at 15.1 and at the bottom I'm at 14 summit. And I got it to 14 summit by using this with that, but this bar is very small, and I actually didn't realise till just now it's actually been catching on that. So the size of the bar has not been the problem. I've obviously set something up wrong, and I don't know what. But when I was using this, I was getting a difference from the top to the bottom again, but only a very, very slight one. Now I've put a bigger bar in, I've got a massive difference. Now I've not got much room to play now to sort it out. So I don't know what I've done wrong. I don't know if someone can help me and explain to me what I've done wrong. But the way I've set it up is I squared everything up with the quick change post. With the quick change post, I squared everything up to here, from here to this, and then from the front of this to this, to the post. And obviously they sit square on. I did check that was fine. Now, to square this one up, I've put this square on the front of there and brought it forward. Now, it's perfect. It's perfectly square. So, what the hell am I doing wrong? Am I doing wrong by making it square? Is it not meant to be square? Now, if I have that on a ever so slight 2-degree angle and send it in on the carriage, is it just going to go in straight, or is it going to go in as a chamfer? I don't know. I'm stuck. The only thing I can think of now is trying to get a reamer the size I need it, and just keep going and then sending the reamer in, which obviously being 0.4 mil out from top to bottom, it's a lot. It's a lot. Now, just looking in, like feeling in there as well, it seems to be going right in the centre. So I really don't want to be cocking this up and having to do it again. It feels like it's going right in the centre of it. I just desperately need help. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like I said, the cylinder that I've done has turned out great, and it's very, very slightly out, and I've checked it with C1750. Oh, that's a lot out, isn't it? What? Well, I don't know why that's coming out a lot, but anyway, I've checked it with... Where's it gone? Oh, what's I done with that? So I checked it with one of them. Can't think what they're bloody called. Bore indicator, bore measure, whatever they are. So as you can see, it goes in there fine all the way through. Yeah, it's 0.03 out. See, as you've seen, the first measurement was 18 summit, the second one was 17 summit, and this is actually 19.07. And as you can see there, it fits in nice and snug. It's perfect. That's actually rubbing. So that turned out perfect. I know it's a lot shorter than the stand, but what the hell am I doing wrong? If anyone can help, please.